name?
My name's Robert Seiler.
And what car is this?
This is a Jaguar 1956 XK140 Drophead Coupe.
Wow. And I heard you say they're pretty rare in the United States?
Yeah, there's not many left. There are a lot of roadsters and convertibles around, but very few Drophead Coupes.
And did you restore this?
I had it restored over 20 years. It originally was my dad's car.
Really?
Yeah, he bought it in 1956.
Amazing.
That's a 3.4 liter double overhead cam. That's the original engine. It was just pulled out of the car, only 20,000 miles. It was pulled out of the car to be freshened up. The transmission is original to the car. It was just pulled out, freshened up, and put back in.
It looks like jewelry under the
Yes, that's why I love opening the hood.
Now, I heard you say that you drove a car like this in high school?
This was the car I drove in high school.
Really?
But it never looked like this.
Yeah, but still. Wow, let's look inside here. So did you have to do a lot of work in here as well?
Everything is new. The dash came from Maine. It's all burl wood. It all came from Maine.
Yeah.
There's a company that makes dashes. As long as you give them the specs, they do the dashes.
Now, this is the nicest convertible top I've ever seen on a car.
Right. Sharp Interiors in Elyria, Ohio.
Mm-hmm.
They did the top.
Okay.
It was all handmade, form fitted.
Pretty amazing. How long did it take you to restore it?
20 years.
Right? Okay.
Off and on. The biggest, hardest part was to find new old stock parts for the car.
Right.
Found a gentleman in Austin, Texas, who restores these cars and collects the parts. So he had everything I need. He came up, picked up the whole car, took it back to his shop, and then a year later it was done.
A year? That's not bad to wait.
That was after 19 years.
Yeah. Yeah, so it was quite a restoration. Oh, it looks like you've been awarded something.
Yeah, won best in class of this show.
Wow. Well, fantastic. Congratulations.
I wish my father was here to see this. He'd be so happy.
That's fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Enjoyed this.